Today I want to make a video on how I upcycle or how I make my clothes a little more flattering to my own body. I got this idea because I watched thrift flips on YouTube, which is actually very popular, where they buy clothes from thrift stores or ukay-ukays and they turn it into something that's really trendy and cute and something they can wear. These are like big shirts. Actually, I raided my brother's closet and I got like old sweaters that I couldn't throw away but I wanted to. It's very simple. It's technically just cropping it, but if you want to see how well I did and the things that I did and the tips and tricks that I learned throughout the way of trying it, keep on watching. So this is how the shirt looks like before I've done anything to it. It's actually really big on me, as you can see. It's not mine, but I want it to be mine, so I'm gonna do something about it. So I think if you crop it, it's gonna be cute with some leggings for, you know, the gym. The first step is to figure out where you actually want it or how short you want it. I personally don't like it to be super short. I want it to be like just right. So maybe where my belly button is. So my belly button is here. So I'm gonna crop like that much. There, it's already cropped. I just cut it honestly, and honestly you can leave it like this if you want, but I like to hem it because for me it looks like it's store-bought and I just didn't do it by myself and it's really expensive if I do that. So I do that, and so yeah, if I like, you know, hem it, it's gonna look, this is the edge, and then I just fold about an inch and I put pins. Actually, I only put one because I only have one at the moment. But it's fine. It works. You can do this by hand. You can hand sew it, but it takes like 1 minute if you have a sewing machine. So I do it by the sewing machine. And then you just go. I just cut off the extra thread. Done. See? This is how it looks like after. There we go. I'm gonna fit it and show you. This is something I would normally wear to the gym, or a shirt after I work out and I just want to change quickly, and it looks really flattering and it just cuts perfectly where I want it to be. So for me personally, I feel like because I hemmed it, it looks store-bought if you can see closely, and it looks like I bought it the way it is. Difference from this from the Nike shirt that I cropped is the ends look like that, and this part is a part that I wanna keep. I wanna like crop it up to like right below the logo. So these are the ends that I want to keep. So it's already hemmed and it has this lining thing that I want to keep. This hem is gonna be placed up to here. If I sew it here, like right below that, and then fold it like that, it's gonna keep the ends but cut all of this part. And just like that, it's done. See, it's already sewn properly. There. I don't know if you see it, but I sew it there. You just have to cut all the way here. And then, ta-da! It's now a crop shirt. And I kept the ends of the original shirt.
So for this red sweater, I actually also wanted to keep the ends. So just like what I did in the Adidas shirt, I did the same process. I just folded it into how short I wanted.
So this is the after. It's not perfect. I made a mistake here, but I can fix it later on. So that's how it looks like. I actually made another one because I kind of made a mistake on the red one. So this almost had the same fit with the red one, so it was a little bigger on me, and it was long, and it had that garter in the bottom, this garter, and it was sitting right below my tummy. So for me, I think it was making me fat and I couldn't really wear it anymore. But now, I made it cropped and the garter now sits right below my waist. And that's how it looks like. That's all for the video, guys. So if you like it, you can like, subscribe, share, or even comment down below your experiences, or if you have tips and tricks on how you alter your clothes or you upcycle your clothes. And I was actually really happy with all of the outcomes of the ones I made, especially this gray sweater. I feel like now I can wear it more often, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope to see you soon. Bye!